Now we have our course points breakdown and our percentage scale. On the left side here, we have the type of assignment. So these are assignments that you have throughout each of these different units. So your lecture notes, your homework assignments, quizzes, study skills assignments, unit exams, and then the final exam. I have the column next for the points that are associated with each of those types of assignments, the number of those assignments that you'll have, and then the total points for that type of assignment. And then our total points for the class at the bottom there. So you can see that, for example, lecture notes are worth 20 points each. You'll have 5 times that you'll need to turn in, or 5 units worth of lecture notes, and that will give you 100 points total for lecture notes. Similarly, homework assignments are worth 10 points. You'll have 5 units worth of homework assignments worth 50 points. Again, the quizzes are worth 20 points. And then you actually have 6 of those because you have the 5 units worth of quizzes plus the syllabus quiz. So that's 120 points. So that is continued on down. And then our total points for the class are 1,020 points. So again, all of these are by unit. So within each unit, you'll have multiple lecture note assignments, but total, all those lecture note assignments will equal the 20 points for that unit. Same thing with the homework assignments and things like that. So that's per unit, with the exception, of course, of the quizzes, because there's that additional syllabus quiz and the final exam. On the right, the following scale will determine grades. So this is typical of the SC4 schedule for most classes. These are the percentages and the grade that you will earn given that percentage. So grades will be in Canvas throughout the entire semester. You'll know exactly where your grade is at, and you'll have that running percentage. So please note that there are cutoffs here, and I do not curve grades. So in Canvas, if you have a 92.9%, that will be an A minus. I will not round that up to the 93. That would then be the A. Okay, so please do strive to do your best throughout the entire semester, so it really doesn't come down to that being very close to the edge and then becoming frustrated because you didn't tip the scale to the higher score. So and similarly, you can see on the right hand side, something like the 69.9% is going to be the D plus rather than the 70.0 being a C minus. And I don't curve grades, and if we were to kind of look at those percentages, it's not as simple as saying like, oh, I just missed, this 1 point here or 2 points here. It's actually a much larger percentage of points that goes into that 0.9% becoming a 0.0 for the next higher score. So please do keep that in mind as you're working throughout the semester. Then I just have this note here that the tentative class schedule is on the following page because I wanted to keep the class schedule all together. So that'll be in the next video.